Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to build a CRM in Notion. In today's fast-paced world, managing client relationships effectively is crucial for any business. That's where a CRM, or customer relationship management system, comes into play. Building a CRM in Notion can greatly simplify this process, especially for beginners. It allows you to keep track of all your clients, conversations, and follow-ups in one neatly organized space, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clean and easy-to-use database that you can start using immediately to streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into the process. The first step is to create a dedicated space for your CRM in Notion. Begin by clicking on New Page and rename it to something straightforward like CRM. Giving it a clear and identifiable name makes it easy to locate later on and helps keep your workspace organized. Next, you need to establish the structure that will house your client data. On a new line, type /T and select Table, Full Page from the options. This will generate a full-page database, which is excellent for focused tracking and provides ample space to scale as your client list grows over time. Now, let's customize this database so that it functions effectively as a CRM. Start by renaming the first column to Client Name. This will be your title column and acts as the main identifier for each client, making it the ideal place for their names. Add a new column titled Company and set it to the text property, which is perfect for entering simple company names. Following this, add another column labeled Email and choose the email property type. This setting ensures that email addresses remain correctly formatted and easy to use. Next, create a column for Phone Number using the phone property. This keeps the numbers consistent and clickable, especially useful when accessing your CRM on mobile devices. Another essential column to add is Status, utilizing the Select property. Create options such as Lead, Contacted, Won, and Lost. These options will give you a quick visual snapshot of where each client stands in your sales process. Finally, add a Next Follow-up column and set it to the Date property. This will help you keep track of when you need to reach out to each client next, ensuring that you never miss an important follow-up. To see how this setup works, populate your CRM with a few sample entries. Add a client with a company name that you recognize. You can use a generic email placeholder if necessary. Set the status to Lead and choose a next follow-up date, like March 20th. Then, add another example client, marking the status as Contacted, and set their follow-up to March 22nd. Using real dates in your examples can help you visualize how your schedule will look and ensure that your setup feels practical from the start. From here, you can use your CRM to stay on top of your pipeline effectively. Update the client's status as you make progress and adjust the next follow-up date with each contact. This simple habit transforms your table into a dynamic system that mirrors your real-world operations. It allows you to quickly identify who needs your attention next, maintaining momentum without the hassle of sticky notes or scattered spreadsheets. And that's how you build a simple CRM in Notion. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to build a CRM in Notion, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.